DIY Radiator. Tank Replacement. 2010-2015 Toyota Camry Guide. A damaged radiator tank can lead to coolant leaks, overheating, and potential engine damage. While replacing the entire radiator is sometimes necessary, in many cases, replacing just the damaged tank can be a cost-effective solution. Welcome to Auto VFix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of replacing a damaged radiator tank on a 2010-2015 Toyota Camry, helping you save money and maintain your vehicle's cooling system. Tools and materials needed. 1. Replacement radiator tank, specific to your Camry model. 2. Screwdrivers, flathead and Phillips. 3. Socket set and ratchet. 4. Pliers. 5. Coolant drain pan. 6. New coolant. 7. Distilled water. 8. Radiator hose clamp pliers. 9. Gasket sealant. 10. Clean rags. 11. Safety glasses and gloves. Step 1. Preparation and safety. Before beginning, ensure your Camry is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely cool. Engage the parking brake and disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical accidents. Step 2. Drain the coolant. Locate the radiator drain plug at the bottom of the radiator. Place a drain pan underneath, then carefully open the plug to drain the coolant. Once drained, replace the plug. Step 3. Remove the radiator shroud. Remove the plastic radiator shroud to gain better access to the radiator. This typically involves removing several plastic clips and screws. Step 4. Disconnect hoses and electrical connections. Using the hose clamp pliers, loosen the clamps on the upper and lower radiator hoses. Carefully disconnect these hoses from the radiator. If your Camry has an automatic transmission, you may also need to disconnect the transmission cooler lines. Unplug any electrical connections to the cooling fans. Step 5. Remove the radiator. Depending on your Camry model, you may need to remove the cooling fans to access the radiator mounting bolts. Once accessible, remove the bolts securing the radiator to the vehicle's frame. Carefully lift out the radiator, being mindful of any remaining fluid. Step 6. Identify the damaged tank. Inspect the radiator to determine which tank, top or bottom, is damaged. The damaged tank will typically show signs of cracks, leaks, or discoloration. Step 7. Remove the damaged tank. Using a flathead screwdriver, carefully pry off the crimped edge that secures the tank to the radiator core. Work your way around the entire perimeter of the tank. Once loose, gently separate the tank from the core. Step 8. Clean the radiator core. Using a clean rag, carefully clean the exposed edge of the radiator core where the tank was attached. Remove any debris, old gasket material, or corrosion to ensure a proper seal with the new tank. Step 9. Prepare the new tank. Apply a thin, even layer of gasket sealant to the mating surface of the new radiator tank. This will help ensure a watertight seal. Step 10. Install the new tank. Carefully align the new tank with the radiator core, ensuring it's properly seated. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap the tank into place if needed. Once properly aligned, use pliers to crimp the edge of the radiator core over the lip of the new tank, working your way around the entire perimeter. Step 11. Reinstall the radiator. Carefully lower the radiator back into place, ensuring it's properly aligned with the mounting points. Secure the radiator using the mounting bolts you removed earlier. Reconnect all hoses, transmission cooler lines, if applicable, and electrical connections. Don't forget to reinstall the cooling fans if you remove them. Step 12. Refill the cooling system. Mix the new coolant with distilled water according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Slowly fill the radiator and overflow tank with the coolant mixture. Be sure to bleed the cooling system of any air pockets by following the procedure outlined in your Camry's owner's manual. Step 13. Test and final checks. Reconnect the battery, start the engine, and allow it to reach operating temperature. Check for any leaks around the new tank and hose connections. Monitor the temperature gauge to ensure proper cooling system function. By following this step-by-step guide, you can successfully replace a damaged radiator tank on your 2010-2015 Toyota Camry. Remember to work carefully and methodically, and don't hesitate to consult a professional if you encounter any difficulties during the process. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to cooling system issues can help prevent more serious and costly repairs down the road. And that concludes our discussion on DIY radiator tank replacement, 2010-2015 Toyota Camry guide. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Drop your comments below if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Until next time, stay safe and happy driving.